All right, guys, we're back again. Second mod to my Prius. Getting a subwoofer installed in it. See how it's going. There's Sean and Jill.
Hey.
There's my bad boy C8 Corvette in the back, getting a stereo system installed in it. There's TJ. All right, got Dave here working on the Prius. Second mod we're doing to it, installing a new bass box with the amp on it. It's got a little bump to it, doesn't it? It's definitely working. It's funny.
You better watch how you're talking and when
That's all we need.
Are you and your
Thanks, Dave. All right, guys, just got my car done. Got that new subwoofer put in the back. Oh, they installed it for me. The subwoofer actually came out of my Jeep. Let's try that. Says it's ready. Let's try the stereo. Let's see, guys. Let's see, audio. Source. I got XM radio. Got a lot of comedy ones to see.
On the daily, in the Sirius XM house.
Might dig it. Maybe you'll even go in.
Sounds good to me. Good deal, guys. Well, I appreciate you following along on my second mod on my 2022 Prius. I think the next thing we're gonna do is get the rims painted and put the blue like race strip around it. Keep following along, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you. God bless.